morning. Welcome to our math class. Today we're going to be working on multiplying by 6. So before we get started, let's go ahead and think about strategies that we can use to multiply. So we know that we can do grouping, we can do an array, and we can also skip count on a number line. But there are other strategies that we can use too. So today I'm going to teach you how to multiply by 6 easily in our head. First, I want you to think about how to multiply by 5s. So usually we skip count. For example, if I want to do 4 times 5, I can count 5, 10, 15, 20. 4 times 5 equals 20. Now I'm going to use that same strategy to help me with multiplying by 6. So I have here an array, and as you can see, I have 5 going down and 4 across. So 5 times 4 equals 20. Now I'm going to go ahead and create one more row. 5 times 4, I'm going to start that again. If I have 6 times 4, I already know that 4 times 5 equals 20. So now all I have to do is add 4 more. So 4 times 5 equals 20 plus 4 equals 24. So 6 times 4 equals 24. Take a look at that module again. So if I have 5 times 4 equals 20, that means that 6 times 4 equals 24. Take a look at the step up. So for the step up, once again, I have 5 rows of 3. So if 5 rows of 3 equals 15, 6 rows of 3 equals 18. Now let's take a look on the next side. So we're going to use this strategy to help us. So if I have 5 times 7, let's use our 5 times 5 strategy to help us. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. 5 times 7 equals 35. So that means that 6 times 7 equals 42. That is because 35 plus 7 more equals 42. So we're just adding one more group of 7. Let's try, and then we're going to do the turnaround fact, or the commutative property of multiplication. So I'm going to have 7 times 6 equals 42. So what that means, instead of using the array, I'm going to have equal groups. So once again, the problem was 6 times 7. So I'm going to start by creating 5 groups. And these 5 groups I already know equals 35. I don't even have to count them because I already know. So now I'm going to create one more group and add 7 more things into that. I have 7 more. So 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So basically, I'm doing the times 5 facts in my head, and then I'm adding whatever the other number is. Let's take a look at the next problem. The next problem is 5 times 6. Let's use our 5 facts to help us. So 5 times 6, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 5 times 6 equals 30. Now I want to think one more group of 6. So I'm going to add 30 plus 6. I'm going to use the other number to help me. So 30 plus 6 is 36. So that means if I want to multiply by 6, 6 plus 6, equals 36. So then, turn around facts. Once again, it's going to be the same thing. 6 times 6 equals 36. So remember, multiply by 5, then add the other number. Let's try one more. Yes, I did something wrong that I shouldn't have just then. Sorry. So, I'm going to try, let's do 8 times 6. So I'm going to think 8 times 6 in my, 8 times 6. So I'm going to try 8 times 5. So let's try that. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 8 times 5 equals 40. Now all I have to think of is this other number. 40 plus 8 equals 48. Good luck with everything, and I look forward to working with you again.